Here is everything you ever wanted to know about one of the greatest cricketers of all time, Shane Warne. Shane Keith Warne was born in Fern Valley, Victoria, Australia, a cricketer who redefined the art of spin bowling. Warne announced himself on the world stage with a delivery that will forever remain in cricketing folklore. Mike Gatting bowled at Old Trafford by a huge turning leg spinner that defied logic. It will always be known as the ball of the century.
First ball, bail is off. He's bowled him. Gatting can't believe it. Dickie Bird, I suppose, can't believe it.
It's a perfectly pitched leg spinner. Pitching just outside leg with a little bit of curve, and that's a beautiful delivery. Not a bad one to start with. I can understand Mike Gatting being disbelieving.
Warne is second only to Muralitharan in the record for most Test wickets. He won 7 Ashes series between 1993 and 2007, taking a record 195 English wickets. He won the World Cup in England in 1999 with a match-winning performance in the final.
Bowled him out. He just caught in no man's land there.
Well, it's a world-class bowler, bowling world-class. Weaving a web, the mysteries again, hard spun, pitches it on the back foot, fatal. Just through his defences.
Warne was a headline maker on and off the field. He was the subject of a self-entitled musical, and no less than 7 books. While controversy followed him throughout his career, the low point came when he was banned from cricket for 12 months on the eve of the 2003 World Cup for taking a banned diuretic. Warne's greatness can be attributed partly to the psychological hold he had over many a batsman. His leg spinner was the primary weapon, but there were many other subtle, often exaggerated variations. Brilliant, charismatic and controversial, that's everything you ever wanted to know about Shane Warne.